Hi guys, welcome to this video. This one is going to be a really good one. I've got a technique for you here that will allow you to make money with Clickbank super fast. I'm going to guide you through it. It's something that you can use. I wouldn't do this to build a business, but I do it if you just need to make some money really quickly. So it's a technique that I've used successfully for years. I was doing this way back. There were a few differences that I'll tell you about. But I'll guide you through and make sure that you've got everything you need to make some money really quickly. The way it works quite simply is there's a way that you can get ranked instantly, like very fast, and start getting traffic and start making sales over the next few days. So I hope you enjoy the technique. If you're interested in building a business and making money with Clickbank, do check out the link below. You've got the Clickbank mega site training. It's still at 50% discount. Do check out this video. But in a nutshell, you will learn how to build sites that make you money. So you've actually got assets. So you're building sites, and you've got sites that make you commissions, and you've also got a site you could sell and a site that you can build up. And I guide you through it. It's completely new for 2021 as well. So if you're worried about the SEO or if you're worried about ranking, do join. It's got a full guarantee on it. These SEO techniques I'm using not just for Clickbank, not just for Amazon, but also for businesses and ranking. So I'll show you that inside as well. Do get in if you want in at 50% discount. Check out this video as well. It will really help you, because the technique I'm about to show you should be used sparingly. Okay, you're never going to build a business with the technique I'm going to show you, but it will allow you to start making $100, $200, $300, $400 really quickly. But do check out the training if you want a complete guide how to build a real business and build sites that actually work. Okay, so what's the technique? Really simple, but I'm going to guide you through it step by step. Okay, step one, what you want to do is pick a very popular product from Clickbank. When I say popular, I'm just on about gravity. So really what I'm saying is not a product that sells well in conversion rates. It may do, but you can't tell that off the gravity. All the gravity will tell you is how popular it is with affiliates, because the gravity is a number that's awarded every time an affiliate makes a sale. I think it's 0.1 to 1 in the last 90 days. So every time, the more frequent the sales between affiliates, the higher that gravity goes up. You could have a product on there with zero gravity and the actual vendor could be making a lot of money with it. Okay, so just bear that in mind. But for this method, just go for the highest gravity you can. So I've picked one out. Okinawa flat belly tonic, okay, and I'm going to show you really simply how you can make money super fast. Okay, so when we type in Okinawa flat belly tonic, you can see there's a lot of stuff out there. There's ads up here, and there's all these search results. Okay, this is a way. This won't work with every single product, but I'll show you definitely with this one, and it will work with other really popular ones. That's why you want to go. What you want to do is, you will see here right on number one of Google, this one, is a sponsored listing. You can actually tell this by the URL here. So you see here, discovermagazine.com sponsored. Okay, so that's a paid listing or a sponsored listing. So you can see here that someone's actually paying to be there, sponsored. Okay, and what you can do is you can find these. They tend to be like magazines, or they tend to be like niche driven towards weight loss in this case. And you can see, all you have to do is you have to look around on the site, and you can see advertise. Okay, so you can click there and you can email directly affiliate marketing and sponsored content. There we go, and there's the email and there's the direct number, and you can get your content on there. Now, before you rush off and do that and start spamming, and sort of bear in mind there's a couple of things that you need to have to make sure that you're all in line with this. You can see here, this article contains affiliate links to products. Discover may receive a commission for purchases, and so on. What you want to do is, number one, you want to have a proper site. Okay, like you want to have a proper site with So check out that link below if you need help with building a site and ranking anyway in the search engines naturally and doing it fast. Check out the course, get yourself in. It will really help you. It's at 50% discount because you're going to need a proper site. The reason being is they probably won't approve. It's the way to get really high up on Google fast, but they probably won't approve you if you're just putting affiliate links in there, naked affiliate links, even if you're using a link cloaker or something like that, or a redirect. They're just not going to. You want to have a site up. You don't have to have a massive site, but a site with good content on 5, 6, 7, 10 pages of content, really good content that will help you with SEO, and then you can link directly to that site and you can actually mention the site in your article. The second thing is you need to have really good content. Okay, you can see here and you can follow suit of the. It's no good just keyword stuffing an article with loads of links saying buy this, buy this. You need to have really good content and make it quality, but it will be more than worth it because the time you spend on it. Look, it's at number 1 of Google, so the amount of traffic that you will receive for that term is absolutely huge. Doesn't mean that your content will rank number 1 on Google either, but you can see straight away that there's a Discover magazine and it's got content there. So the way you do it is we can see going down, look at this one. Here's another one, number 2, and very similar. This one is actually a very similar sort of site, and it's got the marketplace, and you can see this is sponsored content. So this is paid content, and this article was written on Friday, September the 17th, 2021, so not that long ago, which means it ranked really quickly and it's on the 2nd page of Google. And you can see here all of the content with the links going through. Okay. Again, you're going to need a proper site and real content, but you can see it's there, and all you do is scroll down, check out the contact and the classified, and you'll normally find an advertising. If you can't find it, click on contact us and ask them, and you can see here Amazon, and then look at this, Bellevue Reporter. This is the top 3 positions we've been looking at on Google so far for one of the top rated Clickbank products. You can see here sponsored content again, and there's an article, and then let's have a look. You've got Herald Net here, so look at this, guys. 1, 2, 3 Herald Net. There's another one, Herald Net, and another National Marketplace sponsored listing, Wednesday, September the 22nd. And then you've got June, let's see what this one is. Here we go, another one. Okay, so basically, as you can see here, and there's another one here, and there's another one. So the entire first page, when I type in Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic for one of the top products on Clickbank, so when we go here, this pays $148 per sale on average. The entire first page is taken up with these reviews on these newspaper sites that you can actually advertise. So the thing that you want to do, this is what you want to do. Number 1, make sure that you know how to build a proper site. Very important. Go and grab a domain, put some content on the site, get the review written up, and get the banner ads in and build it. If you don't know how to do that, join the training, because it will help you rank via SEO anyway. Okay, you're going to need the proper site anyway. Number 2, go to these sites, all of them. So you don't have to do this product because it will work the same for other products. You might have to do some searching about, but you'll see it's a very popular technique. I'll show you another thing you can do as well. Go to these sites, all of them, and contact them, and there may be an advertising fee or some kind of, like, to get your sponsored content, so it's up to you how many you do, but it's more than worth it. I mean, $148 per sale. If you've got all of these people here for Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic are all every single listing. Imagine if that was you in 2 or 3 spots of Google. You're going to make an absolute killing. So, and it's a technique that I've used, but I used, if we click on news here, you can see here, this is how you can spot other sort of press release news sites that actually get ranked in Google News. And you can also see, you have to be a bit careful with this not to spam as well, but you can also see this one was done 6 days ago and it's appearing in the news. Okay, so that's a really, and you can see the best ones to do a press release on, and you can follow suit off of their content, but make sure that you have a site set up. Here we go, and they've put a direct Clickbank link in here. I don't recommend doing that because it won't rank as well, and you can probably get taken down for spamming. So make sure that you do the extra step and have a proper site. But that is a very simple way of getting ranked super fast. You can see that I've shown you those sites taking up the first page of Google. You can do the same. Give that a go, even use that product, but make sure that you have a site first and it will work really, really well for you. That's what you can do for quick money, and if you wanted, you can just rinse and repeat that. So give that a go. Let me know how you get on with it. It's a very, very probably people will be a bit angry that I'm releasing that technique because it's been used for years and it's been a sort of the people that know and the people that don't struggle. But give that a go. It has to be a popular Clickbank product, need to have a real site, and you'll get ranked. It will help you rank via SEO as well. If you need help building the sites, do check out this course. I think you'll love it. Comes with a full guarantee, 50% discount, and you can get in today. So check that out below. I'll put the link below, and I will see you inside. Cheers for watching, guys.